Hello and welcome myself Amrish Kumar from Uplatz. And I remember in my previous session when I was talking about the off-page activities and on-page activities, I used so many terms that are actually associated with the HTML tag, or we can say that link placing, making the bold, italic, underline, using the H1 tag, and more important thing is placing the link, placing the canonical tag, placing the follow, do follow, no follow, robot tag. So these all are actually the HTML tag. And being a digital marketer or SEO person, you have to know some basic HTML tag. Rest I will share you the website from where you can pick up the tags as per your requirement. As of now, my primary object is, first of all, I give you a overview that how to install the Edit Plus and FTP, because Edit Plus is the tool from where we can open a page in the HTML, PHP or .NET or any other language, while to download the page we need either cPanel or FTP. So first of all, I will tell you how to install the Edit Plus and FTP in your laptop. Then I will show you how to use FTP and cPanel to download the page and edit with the help of Edit Plus. So initially I am starting with the Edit Plus. Just moving to the browser. In Google you can type first Google and then type Edit Plus, and it will bring you in the official website, so you can download the trial version or any other version. So the both are the same, so you can go with the trial version. Actually the trial version is useful for the non-professional work, like you are a student, you are a professor, you are a teacher, and anything you are. But for the uh, pro version you have to buy with some payment. So as of now I am buying this download Edit Plus and I started with here. So after the downloading it look like this, EPP something like this, and this is the Edit Plus. So we can install it with system and run as administrator. And once it's installed it look like this, so you can open it very easily. Open any page it look like this, all the colors very good, like the title tag, description, meta keyword, each and everything is colorful so that you can recognize that this part is completed here, the new one is started from here, old is completed, new started, old is completed, new started. So this color combination is for the user prospect. So this is the very easy process to download the Edit Plus. And the second thing is open a website in Edit Plus. So if your computer having the Edit Plus, then when you are going to open a page, either it is HTML or PHP, the computer will ask you actually in which editor you are going to open. Let me show you. Now this is a PHP page and I am just going to right click on this, and as I right click you can see that open with this and this is Edit Plus. So just open it here, and as this is my trial version, so every time this will ask you this is 12 days out of 30 days. So I agree because I want to purchase it. When I ordering, then I have to click here, or if I already purchase it I enter the registration code. This is a very easy process, you have to pay and buy this, but for the trial period it's fine, and you can even extend every 30 days. So this is the page, and I will keep this page to explain you more and more things, because the most of the HTML tag need page to explain. So I am keeping this page here and explain you one by one. So let's move for the downloading the FTP. There are lot of software for the FTP, so you can search only FTP and you see that a lot of FTP site are there. The best one is FileZilla, the free FTP solution. This is completely free and it will never ask you for buy and never ask you to upgrade to execute these features. Other than this, a lot of other more are, but they are not so very good. As per my personal experience, I always using the FileZilla. So this is the one of the biggest. And to keep remember this name, always remember the browser Mozilla and the FTP is FileZilla. So this always make you remember that for the FTP I have to check FileZilla only. I am opening it, FileZilla client. Check it. You can check it. This is the place where you can download and it's very easy. So you just click on this and as you click on this they will show you a lot of things here, but our work can be possible in these things. As of now we can use this, so we can download this one and once it is downloaded it looks like this. So just right click on this and run as administrator, so it will start. The FileZilla and Edit Plus both are started downloading and installing in your system. Then for the security purpose, your system will ask, do you want to install it? Then click on the yes. Once they are installed, then it looks like, I show you how uh, Edit Plus look like. Now the time is to show you how FTP looks like. The FileZilla FTP look like this. You have the option of quick connection. You place the host name, you place the username, password, and most of the time port will be 21. So keep in mind, so many times the developer, the user, the owner will not provide you the port number because it is by default 21 and you can quick access option. Here is you also find that so many website those are already you opened here can be accessed from here, but as of now I am not going with the here. I am going to explain you the entire process. You go to the file and site manager. In the site manager, this is pre-filled detail, but I am saying you that I am saying a new site, suppose it is the abc.com. You have the abc.com's detail, file transfer protocol host. Most of the time the host is the domain name or IP address. Port is 21. Username and password, these are the given by the user, owner or developer. Anyone can give you, but most of the time the FTP, so host name is the name of the website. Let me show you. Let me canceling it and just going to site manager. Suppose this has the IP address and this has the website name. So website name is very easy to remember. So I am going to place the with the help of a IP address. You can see that IP address this and this. So just going to connect it. So now you are connected, the process is completed, and simply if you want to download this file you can download it with the option download. For this you have to right click on your mouse, so it is downloaded and you can see that this 22 page already here. So before downloading it will ask you overwrite if source newer, overwrite if different size, overwrite if different size or source newer, resume, renew or escape. So as of now, you can select anyone as per your requirement, but I suggest override. So I did it. Now the file is downloaded and you can see that now I am opening that file. Now we are here, the file is here. So just right click on this and open it in Edit Plus. In the Edit Plus, you can see this look like this. So now this is the place where I am going to explain all the tags. Those are really very important. So till the time you have learned how to install Edit Plus and FTP to access the page, how to use FTP and cPanel to download the page. I explain you how to download the page from the FTP. Now the remaining is cPanel. Just moving to the cPanel of a website and to show you how to download the page and how to edit it in Edit Plus. So just moving to the cPanel. This is the cPanel of a website and just entering it. Here I have already logged in, so it will not ask me again. I have the username already placed, the password is placed. Must you keep your username and password secure and log in, and then you proceed. Authentication is successful and redirect. Now you see a lot of things are there: file manager, image, directory, disk size. A lot of things are there, but you have to be focused only on the file manager. Inside the file manager, you see a lot of folders and files are there, but like etc, log, mail, public ftp, ssl, temp. But all the pages will be in public.html. This is by default. You can find all the pages in the public HTML. So just click on this and now you are here. To download any page, you have to just click with the mouse and press the right click and then download. You can view from here, you can edit from here, you can HTML edit, you can move from this folder to another folder, you can copy from here and paste anywhere, you can rename the page, you can change the permission, means download, upload, etc. You can delete it. There are a lot of options. I hope and I remember that edit HTML, the part I have already explained you when I am giving you a session for the webmaster tool installation. At that time I open the page in HTML edit. So I can show you once again just for your recalling the memory, and with the help of this you can see like this. The page look like this. So you need to go with the source code and you find the source. But here the problem is this: everything is black, black, black. So you cannot understand that which code is completed, which code it is started. So I suggest you can close it and download this page. Not only this, you can download any page, and when you download from it, it will be directly saved in the download folder of your computer. So just moving to there. Now we are in the download folder and this is the page. So I download this page because it is made in HTML and the previous one was in PHP. So in this way I can explain you the code placing in both type of the pages. Just right click and you see that edit plus is here. So if your computer is having the edit plus, then always this type the icon will be show here. So just edit it and now we are here. So this is very small code I written and this is little bit big. So just want to explain the things. So from now you are able to understand how to install the Edit Plus, how to install FTP, how to use FTP and cPanel to download the page, and how to edit these page with the help of Edit Plus code editor. We can say it editor because it gives us the facility to edit the page. Now started with the meta tag. I already suggest you the meta tag is the primarily title tag, description tag and keyword tag, and where it is placed, let me show you. Now you can see that this is the page having a lot of tags, meta tag and description tag, container, blogger, etc. A lot of tags are there, but actually these are not need to know by you. You need to know only about the how to place image tag, how to break a line, means so that my content in a one line to second line, how to divide the paragraph with the help of p and slash p. In the HTML, every tag is open with the bracket and the identification sign, like for the paragraph P, bold for B, italic for I, and H1 for the header tag, and the closing tag is just backslash. So this is the very important part. In future I will explain you how to div open and close, but these are not the matter for the SEO, because these all the work will be done by the designer or developer. You have to just guide them that I need this image top, I need this image in left side and right side. You have to just know the things that they are possible or not. So in my second page I place that meta title. It is the, keep in mind a few tags are placed inside the head, so they are called actually header tag or HTML tag, while a few are placed under the body tag, so they are called actually the body tag. So here this is the title tag, and you can see that this is the title tag, but meta is not come with this, but description tag means meta's name. This is the meta tag. What is the name of meta tag? So name defined as the description. What should you contain in this? The content is this. So the meta tag and this title will be display over the search engine result page. How it display? Let me show you. If I search in a Google how to optimize a website and just search it, I found that in the blue color I seen the title, and in the black color I see the text. This text is actually from the meta description, and this is the meta title. So these two lines are really very important, because these are the reception of your website. You have to understand that on the basis of these two lines a visitor can come to your website, or the visitor move and scroll from here. So keep in mind these two lines should be well written and well optimized. The keyword is the really play a very important role in these places. So I recommend that keep in mind that these two places are really very important for everyone. Let's move. Now you can ask me what is the OG title and property and title of your website. So this is really very important to ask me. So many times when you share your page over the social media, you see that the first image will be shown and the title that you are given in the meta title is shown. But you want something different for the meta tag, means for the social media you want a different title and you want a different image should be shown there. So for that purpose you can place the different title for the particular that URL, means if you are sharing this URL, then whatever the URL giving here will be displayed there. So let me show you. You can see this is the OG tag, and now you can understand it that they place description, this is the URL, this is the title, and this is the description, and this is the image URL. Unfortunately they are placed the same as the title of this website, but if you could want that I should use a different title, a different description, and a different image that show on the social media, then you can change entire thing from here. And this is an assignment for you to make a website and place these tags differently. So how to make the website? This is the very lengthy process. So just show you one thing. If I share this link over the Facebook, or just move from here, see that the 10 most important HTML tag you need to know about SEO, and when you tune it you find that the image is this will be show here. You can see that this image is showing here. So you can replace the image, the title and the description as per your requirement. So that's because this OG tag is developed. You can place the title, description and so on. Robot. I hope you remember I explained about the robot.txt file, but so many times you don't want to use robot.txt file. You just want to place robot tag on a particular page, and also you want the page should not be indexed and should not be followed. Means the links placing on the page should not be followed and the entire content should not be indexed. So you can place robot tag. Now Canonical tag. Canonical tag is playing a very important role when we are promoting a website. Like, let me show you the some easy combination that a website having accidentally or automatically. You can see that a website is http://www.yourwebsite.com. Maybe if you purchase the SSL, then it becomes the HTTPS. But your link builder is doing HTTP. So and so many times you are submitting the content with the HTTPS. So this is the two condition. Third one is this without www and with www. So these are the four combination. Other than this, so many time your developer place the slash index or slash html link over the so many places on the website. Like if you are seeing that on the home page, then your developer, you can see in the bottom that there is in slash index.html. This is also a kind of canonical issue. So just to inform the search engine that instead of a lot of pages you are finding over the your database, the primary page is this one. So forget all the derivatives, combination and other things related with this domain. You keep focus only on this one. So we are actually informing the search engine that in the ranking you should use only this one. Now I want to target English user in Great Britain. So what type of the code I will place? This is actually informing the search engine that the English is different from the Great Britain's English. This English is actually the US English. So this is simple code. You can place href lang. This is the important code and you can write the en-gn. And for a particular page like hello, that is for the UK folder. So when this code we have placed in this page. So when this page open in the UK, the English will be as per the US standard. So this is uh, very important for the people who are living in UK and speaking the Britain English. Like in the optimization process, in the US English we use S, but in the UK English there is the Z. So this is some different English versions that can be disturb the people when they are reading something over the internet. So we keep in our mind that the language should be as per their native language. Now we are using this h1 tag just to inform the search engine that this is the most important term that is inside the h1 tag. The same you can use for the h2, even h3, even h4 and even 5. The same whatever you are changing here you should change here also. The br tag we use for the line break means let me show you how this page look like. This page look like this. The content is in the bottom and the image, this is the very big image. So I place actually this image for intentionally to show you how to reduce the size of image as per our page. But you can see that this is the content and this is in bold, this is the anchor text, and you can bring your mouse over here, then you can find nothing, but we have placed the alt tag here. Let me show you one more thing. If I place one more br tag here, then you can see that as of now this look like this, but I am just refreshing it, and you find that the lines are become the two lines. This is divided from here and is to here. Now I am reducing the size of image. To reduce the size of image, we have a small code, very small code. We use simply style width 500 px, height 600 px. And now we are moving to the page that how this size look like. Now the image looks very big, and now just we are going to refresh it, and now the image look like this. It looks very stretched. So let me again make some changes so that you can feel that the changes are implemented and impact. I did width 800 but keep the height 600. So now checking, just going to refresh it, and now it look better than previous. So this is very small and tiny HTML code, those you will keep in mind always when you are doing SEO. So the B is stand for the bold, and you can see that where we place the B tag, and you find that the text look little bit more bold. The new engineer, you can see that this looks like new engineer. So this is the impact of bold, and I already explained you the impact of BR is line break actually. And now I am showing the use of anchor text. We place the anchor tag here on the your anchor text, but if I place the bold tag, then you can see the text will be bold. So just a moment, and we have to place the slash. So this is very important to know you some important code, and you know that I already place it no follow. I already placed the no follow with the robot text, but actually this is for the particular keyword that Google should not follow this link. Just moving. As of now, our page look like this, and when I refresh it, the text become the little bold. So this is the purpose of explaining in this session that some important HTML tag you should know. Other than this, you can search over the Google W3C school, and you find all kind of the codes are there that will be really very useful. But as an SEO, you should and you must know only these code are sufficient for you. Other than this, if required, I will explain you at the same time that what is the use of this tag and how to use it. So keep in mind only these tags, because these tags not only help you in the on page activities but also in the off page activities when you are placing content over the blog, when you are placing content over the article side or any other side. So keep in mind only these tags, and I hope you enjoyed this class very well, and I hope to see you in my next class also. So happy to see you. Myself Amrish Kumar from Uplatz. Thank you for your time. Have a nice day.